Hello everyone, my name is Precious, a Zambian food blogger, and today I'm going to show how to prepare village chicken in an electric pressure cooker. So I have my ingredients here and some tomatoes, some onions, salt, and some curry powder as well as black pepper, and also some cooking oil. So to begin with, I'm going to cut the chicken into pieces and clean it, and then I'm going to add it into the pot. I've connected an energy meter to the EPC so that I can measure how many units I'm going to use. I added in some water as well. Now I'll just add some salt. Half a cup of water is enough for it to boil. Some curry powder and some cooking oil. Now I will cover the pot and close the valve, and I'll set it on manual setting for 10 minutes. This will be on high pressure, and so it is not advisable to open the lid. As a matter of fact, it is not possible to open the lid when the pressure builds in the pot. Only after depressurizing can you open. So the chicken is cooking now, and after 10 minutes I depressurize the valve so that the steam can come out. And once it has come out, I'll open it and check if the chicken is cooked. So I can see that it's cooked now. In just 10 minutes, I'll remove the broth, the chicken stock, and put it aside in a bowl. Village chicken can take a while to cook on a regular stove or on charcoal, so 10 minutes is really a plus. For example, on charcoal, it can take about 45 minutes to an hour for the chicken to become tender when boiling. I'll now set the pot on the saute option, that is P05, because I'd like to fry the chicken a little bit. .30 shows that the pot will be on frying mode for the next 30 minutes. So we are now cooking on the saute option, and I'll just add some little cooking oil, about 1 tablespoon. On the saute option, you can leave the pot uncovered as it does not need to build any pressure. It's just frying, so you can leave the pot uncovered for as long as you want. So I'll keep on stirring and frying until it's the color that I want, that's a bit brown. The chicken is now brown in color. I'll now add some onions. and a little bit of black pepper, just like half a teaspoon. Village chicken is already very tasty, so it does not need a lot of spices and seasonings. I'll now just add in the tomatoes. And I'll cover the pot so that the tomatoes can cook. After a while, I removed and I continued stirring. Even as I cover the pot, no pressure builds up because of the sauté option. The tomatoes are cooked. And I'm now adding the chicken stock back into the chicken. So I will let it simmer until it forms a nice gravy. I'll just cover the pot. So the chicken is ready at this point. This is the simple way of making Zambian village chicken stew. It usually tends to be hard, but when you cook it for a while, it can get tender. The meat becomes tender, and when it's cooked in an electric pressure cooker, in just 10 minutes the meat can get tender, just like we have done here. So it was tender in 10 minutes, but adding tomatoes, sauteing and simmering took like 20 minutes, giving us altogether a total of 30 minutes. So the chicken is ready to serve. And there we have it. So here's my meter reading. At the beginning it read 41.91 units, and at the end it reads 42.54 units. This is a total of 0.63 units, and depending on the tariff level, this ranges between 35 ngwe and 1 kwacha 46 ngwe for cooking village chicken in the EPC. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.